Hey all you cool cats and kittens! Today we will be looking at how to use Wordle. First, you will click on the button Create Now. You can now type in what words you would like to use, but I prefer to paste in my selected words. I chose some 3rd grade science vocab words. Now that you have your words, you will click on Generate a Wordle. Now you have a Wordle that you can customize. You can select a preferred color format by clicking this button right here. I don't like that one. I don't like the ones that have a dark background. So I'm going to choose this one with some purples and blues and reds that has a white background. You can select words and move them around like this. You can move them anywhere in the box. If you dislike the placement, you can hit the Rewordle button and it will pull the words closer together. If you really dislike the way it looks, you can hit the Relayout button until you find a layout that you prefer. You could just leave it the way it is, but I want to design it to my liking. I like to click the See Box button over here to help me visualize the area around the words. First, I'm going to find my focal point word, which is science. And it is right here. I'm going to just move it away, and next I'm going to enlarge it. And to enlarge it, you just zoom in on your trackpad. And to make it smaller, you just zoom out. So I'm going to make it this big and place it here in the middle since it's my focal word. You can also rotate words. To do that, you select the word you want to rotate. I am going to rotate maths. So I selected it, and to rotate it clockwise, you'll press the R key on your keypad. To rotate it counterclockwise, you press the E on your keypad. I'm going to rotate one more word. I'm going to choose the word volcano, and I'm going to rotate it clockwise. Now that I've rotated the word volcano, I'm going to move it because I don't like the placement of it. Once you're happy with your design, you'll come up here to File, and I would recommend saving it as a PDF. Thank you guys for watching today, and I hope you learned something educational.